My size usually is a 500 shares. So when I'm going with just 100 shares and keep adding, that's because I'm testing the water. I don't want to be too invested in a trade that wouldn't work. So now we have three buy orders of Micron. Each one of them is 100 shares. 100 shares, $86. So each 100 shares is about what, $8,600, $8,600 for those who want to know if they have the buying power to buy that. So we hit it with the first buy order. It got filled, 100 shares. We're gonna have our stop loss before that huge trigger bar. That's a trigger bar right there. Oh, I forgot to actually fill out the form. So we're gonna actually work on the form. So MU is a trade, and that is retracement. So a whole number right there. So marking that. Now this is a single bar. In the meantime, it's a whole number, and also rising 21 period moving average. That's for sure. And we have in what else? We have in a support level of the prior day close. So all of these are working in our advantage, even though it's being retraced. Or a position size. As of now, we are long. As of now, we only have 100 shares. So that's how you fill it out. And shares at 86.10. Let me see how it's filled. 86.11. $86.11. That's how you fill it. And then you go down that sheet. Are you with trend? Yes, of course. I'm with trend. Stop loss set at, we'll do it at 80 through 85.39. Let's put the stop loss right now. 85. Let's see how this one looks. Yep, right under the bar. You see that red marker, 85.39. So you go back to the sheet and you write stop loss at 85.39. So how much am I risking now? I got it at 86.11. So I'm risking about 72 cents. So you go up here. I'm risking 72 cents per share, and my maximum risk per trade is $300. So at 72, I can go up to 416 shares, as you can see here. Let me enlarge it for you. So I can go up to 416 shares, assuming that I'm gonna hit all four, without before hitting my maximum loss. Initial risk. Initial risk is how many per share? Is 72 cents per share. Now we're gonna see if we're gonna build up or not. As of now, it's the first pullback, which is 100 shares. See if it's gonna pull, if it's gonna give us the others 200, like other 100 shares and another, as you can see, I have two more orders to buy. I haven't adjusted the risk, the stop loss yet. We don't have a trailing stop, we only have initial stop. It does seem like it's going to give us another fill of $86, which is a whole number. Look, if we lose, we lose. It doesn't really matter, We buy at support level, that you know, that particular share, that particular stock is uptrending. The market is uptrending, as you can see. SPY right here is uptrending. So we're in good status. We're in a good place. So if it goes against us, then that's fine. All right, let's check on eBay. eBay is still winning. We're gonna adjust it one more time. One more bar. Increase our margin, our profit margin. And then we're gonna check on Snap. See, I don't have to stay in one trade. I can do multiple trades at the same time without having to worry about, you know, I'm using automation to my advantage here. Now let's check on Micron. Micron's struggling. It's 10 o'clock as of now, so we'll give it, I would say, no more than 15 minutes. And then we'll probably, if it's not giving us what we want, I would say we'll scratch the trade. So this is how you scratch the trade. Snap is taking off. Snap is way up. Yeah. Now Snap is about to hit $12, which is a natural resistance. A whole number, doesn't matter if it's up or down, a whole number is a natural either resistance or support. So if the retracement is coming down to $12, that $12 is going to serve as a support for it to reverse and go back up. If, like here, Snap is going upward and about to hit the $12, $12 will work as a significant resistance. The whole number is a natural resistance to the price action. So if it does, it might hit it, retrace a little bit, and bam, it goes for the second time and just run through it. Then that's it. That resistance is broken. If it hits it and it just kind of keeps, you know, playing around it at the 1190, 1182, 1185, it might retrace. It might be, the move might be over at this time. So we'll see how it works. But as of now, I feel comfortable to even raise my stop loss one more bar. And let's see eBay. eBay is about to reverse, so I'm gonna give it let's give it one more bar. If it will trigger it. All right, let's see what Snap is doing. Snap is hitting, like we said, is hitting resistance. So we'll take it one more bar up. All right, so as of now, we're giving it 10 more cents. We're giving it 10 cents to move up, 10, 11 cents. So if it doesn't break the 12, it's going to retrace back to the 20 period moving average. Then we can buy it back at the bottom. But for now, I would say I'm comfortable to take my profits as of now. Micron hit us with the second order, so we'll go to the build-up strategy. So we took, I would say that's the second pullback, because the first one is right here and the second one is right there. So it's the first pullback after our entry. So we got 100 more shares at this particular one at $86. No, I'm sorry, it was 85, 85, 80, 85, 80. Yep, the 20 period moving average. All right, now we have another order here at the second pullback at the 20 period moving average. Let's see if it triggers us, and it's set for 85.77. As of now, we haven't adjusted our stop loss. Stop loss still set at 85.40, 85.39 actually. What we need to do is we need to adjust the number of shares. You see the stop loss is at 100 shares only. We're gonna make it a 200. We'll do a 300 in case it triggers the other one in a fast market. So all right, seems like we're about to get the third fill. eBay is doing well. Snap is doing fantastic. But as we said, I would say I'm gonna sell that at 12. If it hits 12, I'm gonna get out of that one. I made my money. So we put a submit order of a sell limit at 12. And as you can see, if it hits 12, it gives me my profits. If it comes down to 11.79, I'm stopping with a profit. eBay triggered my stop loss with a profit. That's great. That's how you trade. That's how you make money, even if you're wrong. I wasn't wrong, but even if you're wrong, because you never know what comes next. I would say I would have actually put a $43 stop limit there, just to let you know in case it comes down to the support level of the moving average, we'll get in again. All right, MU, come on, give us this one and go up. Let's go. Third order got triggered, so now we have 300 shares of Micron. Now, just keep in mind why we took this one long, even though it's coming down, because we have the 21 period moving average as support. We have the prior day close at support, and we have that huge trigger bar in the beginning. That trigger bar is the most significant, honestly. Even though it's slow retracement back to it, it's a huge support. So we'll see if all of this support hold or there's something significant in the market of Snap. I know they just came out with earnings, so you really never know. But as of now, technically speaking, based on the chart, we have good support to help us out. Snap is going up. Oh, Snap is going down actually. Let's take our profits. I'm going to sell that one. I'm going to sell 100 shares. Boom. So now, cancel. All right. We got out of Snap with a profit, decent profit actually. 42 cents per share. for $11 share, you're making 42 cents per share. So you're making almost, almost 4%, in the last 15 minutes. So that's great trade right there. eBay was also a winning trade. If Snap goes all the way down to the 11, to the support level here, the moving average, then we can get back in. Let's check on Micron. I think Micron, we are in the red, which is fine. Slightly in the red. All right, that tail is giving me hope. SPY, where's SPY? S&P 500 is trending downward a little bit. Well, sideways, not really doing much, but it's at the peak. So for Micron, just to let you know, as of now it's 85, like below $86. We're gonna have some profit targets. So here, like 85, 75, I think. Okay, so the stop loss, we're not gonna adjust it. As of now, our total risk average, our average price per share is 85.96, and the stop loss is set at 85.39. So we have about 57 cents per share. 57, let's do the calculation. As of now, 57. So you see, we reduced we used to have how much per share up there? We used to have 72, now it's 57 cents per share. So now we can go up to 500 shares for this particular trade. So the risk will be 57 cents per share times 300 shares equal 171. $171 is our risk. Intel just is not stopping. Intel is taking over. Look at that. Look at that trend. Alright, it's after 10 already, so I would say the only position we have is Micron. Whether it works or not, we're gonna kill it around about 15 more minutes. Waiting, of course, is, as the market becomes slower after 10 o'clock, it's a waiting game. The fact that SPY is going down is making me, I would say, want to scratch that trade of Micron. Snap still going up. 20 is still holding so far. Come on. Okay, so SPY seems to be breaking down, so we're gonna get out of that trade. I'm not gonna go against the whole market, so we're gonna actually scratch that trade. Let's see how are we doing on the daily. Yeah, on the daily is not looking promising. All right, so we're gonna get out with a small loss. Be patient. We're still positive for the day, by the way. SPY is reversing. Yeah, SPY is reversing. The 501 held that as it served as a nice support. The prior day closes at 85.60, so Micron is still in the green for the day. If Micron gives me a green bar, I'm gonna go in with one more 100 shares. Yeah, SPY's reversing again, so we're gonna just kill that trade with the very small loss. Boom, that's it. Cancel our stop loss. That's how you trade. If if it doesn't work out, just don't be too involved and too invested in the trade. Just get out. We can always get back in if we see a green bar, but as of now, all I'm seeing is red. SPY is going sideways, sometimes up, sometimes down. Now it's going up a little bit more, so I can get in now if needed. Yep. If you really don't know this, but most of the time you're gonna spend actually sitting, watching patiently where the market is going next. So as of now, total risk was $171. We didn't change it. We didn't put a trading stop. What we did is we lost $78. So we stopped out, or we scratched the trade of 300 shares at what was our price? 300 shares at 70. What 20? Sorry, I'm trying to do calculation here. $78 loss. So once you put that in, that value in, the sheet, the PDF sheet, if you don't have a copy of that sheet, let us know. Email me at daytradingfans@gmail.com and I'll send you a copy. So total loss is pretty much $78. That's like 26 cents per share. So I would consider that a great trade.
Thank you for watching. Share this with friends and family, and please subscribe.